What's up, YouTube? This is Boy You Trippin' TV here. Today, guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing on the new Beat Studio Buds. I have the colorway here in red. I'll also put it in here. You guys can also pick different colors. Here you go. Alright, so nevertheless, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I don't want to waste y'all guys too much time. Where do we start peeling at? Right here. So after you start peeling, guys, it gives you this, let me focus on the camera so that focus. Alright, so you slide it up like this. After you slide it up, you get about a couple things inside the box. You get the headphones itself. Also, the headphones itself, we're gonna go through these in a minute, 1 second. Also, you get a fast lightning cord as well here. As you guys can see, fast lightning cord. Also, some more earbud tips. You get the small ones, and then you have the medium inside the earphones already. So you get small and large. That's on the side here. And then also you get like some code of some free music, Apple Music or whatever. Showing us the menu, how to operate it, Beat logo sticker, and a few more menus as well. So forth, a few more menus as well. I don't want to waste too much time. I will be showing you guys how to unconnect this. Let's go ahead and get these off there. How you take them off. I'll just slide them out because I don't know how to work this. Okay, so these are the headphones right here itself. If you guys can see them, these are the headphones itself. You can see it, and those comes in a box. Let me make sure nothing else comes in the box. Okay, so it says 5 hours on AC, ANC on, 8 hours AC off, 10 hours AC on, 16 hours AC off, 15 hours AC on, 24 hours AC off. Nevertheless, let's go and connect these headphones. Alright, so what you guys need to do, once you open the case up like this, it will pop up on your phone just like that. So all you need to do is hit the connect button. After you connect it, after you guys connect it here, boom, it show you the AirPods, not AirPods, but Beat Pods, battery charge and everything like that, etc. So I'm gonna set my phone down. So for example, try these out right now. Left ear going into my ear right now. Oh, I like the setup. Wow, these feel good. I know I have my locks on, so don't worry. Try these on anyways. Not to worry. Oh, these boys feel comfortable. These boys feel comfortable. Let's play some music right now and give y'all a test how I feel about them being in my ear. Play some music right now. We're playing some music right now. These are the Beats. And these are the AirPod 3s. I'm going to show y'all right now. These are the AirPod 3s. About this music playing. Turn it up loud. So, y'all leave it in the comment section what y'all believe, what y'all like the best so far. Beat Buds. Beat Buds right here. Or these. Hold up. Oh yeah. Give that bass. Let's push the boys. Push them boys. I also got a new watch, man, as well, y'all. We'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all. What y'all think? Comment below what y'all think. AirPod 3s, or I think we got these, because these boys are still playing. Yeah, these boys are still playing. Y'all can hear they still playing. These and two. What y'all think I want in the comment section, y'all let me know. We out. Peace. Alright guys, with that being said, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. We out. Peace.